Presenting a pre-owned 2010 BMW. This two-door coupe has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 89,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include premium package, moonroof, anti-theft alarm system, Bluetooth, automatic climate control, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.